Welcome back to Tiffany Baby TV. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button before we begin. Today, we're going to be talking about a new unit. It is human hair from Zury. We have Getty. I have Getty in the color Natural Black. This is 100% Brazilian virgin human hair, which means it can be bleached, permed, or dyed. Here's her cap construction. Getty has a center part. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps. I'm going to go ahead and wash this unit before I try it on. I wanted to show you what it looked like in its natural state, but I'll be right back with you guys so that you can watch me work. Alright guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts on Getty. Get it, girl. This is so cute, you guys. This is like work, corporate. I have a board meeting. I have to give a presentation. I'm wearing my nice tennis bracelet with this. That's what this is giving me. Like, this is work wig all day long. They will see me in the office in this next week. I absolutely love this. I've never had the pleasure of owning Lena. There was just something about it that made me shy away from that wig. You guys know I'm not a center part kind of girl, but as soon as I saw this made me think of that wig, and I love it. And the fact that it's human, I think makes it even better, you guys. This is so easy. I love how flat this is sitting. This texture is awesome. It's just like relaxed African-American hair. This cap construction is very comfortable. There's some good stretch in it. There's plenty of room. I've got it pulled out all the way over to here. There's plenty of room if you're one of my big head sisters. It's got the adjustable strap, so you shouldn't have anything to worry about. No shedding, no tangling, obviously. It's sitting really flat, you guys. I have my hair cornrowed straight back, but right out of the package after that wash, official. I hope that you guys will check this out. Thank you to Beauty Nation for sending it over. I will leave you a direct link down below so that you can head on over to beautynation.shop to pick this up, as well as some other beautiful units that they have. Make sure that you check out my prior reviews for some other great slays from Beauty Nation. I appreciate the time that you've spent with me watching this review. I hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure that you hit the like button if you want to see other reviews like this in the future. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful rest of your day, loves. Bye, loves.